Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Stream for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 12. Download the video. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be work scale of business. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com and make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore all these applications. Now let's go to Microsoft Stream, and now let's navigate to the video, screen recording for CSV, more options, open with, file location. This will take us directly to OneDrive, and then My Files, and then the folder, which is screen recordings, screen recording for CSV.webm. Go to more options, and now the purpose of this tutorial is to download and save the video that we recorded using Stream onto our Mac computer, so we can then watch this if we ever require to, maybe watch it offline, analyze what we have created. So download, and now this video itself has downloaded to the Mac computer. If I minimize Chrome for the moment, now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Downloads, and there I see the video screen recording for CSV.webm. Right click, open with, VLC, and here is that screen recording that was created using Microsoft Stream. So now I can quit VLC. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome, quit Google Chrome, and so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.